Mm. 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 You guys. Mm. Mm. The flavor on this. The flavor on this is amazing. For our garlic Parmesan chicken tenders, we start off with 3/4 cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then we mix that all together. Then we add our chicken strips and begin to coat it in the mayo mixture. Now we put it in the oven for 400 degrees for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. And we'll have some delicious garlic Parmesan chicken strips in just a few. Okay, our garlic Parmesan chicken tenders are ready and I'm ready to eat. So let me show you what they look like. They are nice and golden brown and they smell amazing. So go ahead and cut it up here. And we're gonna take, actually this piece right here looks nice and golden and crispy. I'm gonna cut this one instead. So I want you guys to kind of see it a little bit there. All right, so here we go. Mm. 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 You guys. Mm. Mm. The flavor on this. The flavor on this is amazing. You can taste the garlic. You can taste the Parmesan cheese, the nuttiness from the Parmesan. And then the Parmesan that we put on top gave it a bit of a crispiness too, which I love. There's a crispy chewiness to it that makes this even better. And I kid you not, putting this meal together took approximately 5 minutes. Mayo, garlic, Parmesan cheese, toss it together with your chicken strips, pop it in the oven. And in 30 minutes, you have got a delicious entree. Another winner here. Another winner. And to tell you the truth, I don't need a dipping sauce. But if you just had to have a dipping sauce, one of the dipping sauce would be a good ranch dipping sauce or honey mustard. Those are my favorites. I can see me having those with this, but the flavor is so good. You really, really don't need a sauce for this. So I'm going to serve this to my family alongside some corn. We have some, actually, we have some leftover corn in there. So I'm going to give this to my family with some leftover corn. And I am probably going to have it with some of my leftover Brussels sprouts that I have. And then I may pop a baked potato in the microwave for them. And then add some delicious toppings on for my family. Unfortunately, we, as Keto World, we can't have the baked potato. But I'm okay with that. Because this is good. Well, family, as always, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a regular subscriber to my channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you'll always know every time I upload a new keto-friendly recipe or vlog or whatever it is that I'm doing for that day. Thank you guys for being with me today. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe. It is really, really delicious. I kid you not. Quick and easy. I'll see you guys next time right back here on Sincerely Legenia. Have a great, blessed day.